Want to know how to unblock someone in Messenger? So if you had blocked a contact and you had to unblock someone, this video is for you. So in this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Messenger application and hit towards chats right here on the bottom left side. And once you're under chats, just simply hit towards the friend that you had blocked. So there should be a chat history. If there isn't, you can just simply sort the name as well. Now once you're there, here you should be seeing your chat right here. Now you won't be able to send messages as well because you have blocked them. So for that, just simply select unblock right here. So it should be right beside something's wrong. So it's simply select unblock to confirm again. And after that is done, your contact should be unblocked and you are good to go. And that's it, super simple and easy. This is how you unblock someone in Messenger. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.